Are you looking for the best door security bars in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best door security bars that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
At number 5, Securityman 2-in-1 Door Security Bars. Securityman 2-in-1 Door Security Bar is the first product in our list of the top 10 best door security bars. It features a highly sensitive vibration sensor and an alarm connected to it. The 12 ODB alarm has total coverage of area up to 1,000 feet. This door security bar also features interchangeable caps. It is a perfect choice for hinged as well as sliding doors. Note that the Securityman door security bar is constructed with an iron of superior quality, which makes it very durable. At number 4, Mace Home Security Door Brace. The installation of this amazing door security bar is hassle-free. It can be easily installed under doorknobs. This will help to improve the safety of your house. The best thing is that it can be modified from 24 to 46 inch. Another benefit is that this door security bar can be folded to fit the majority of the suitcases. It helps to prevent any intrusion. The fact that Mace Home Security Door Brace is constructed out of high-grade 20-gauge steel of superior quality makes it very robust and durable. At number 3, International Closeout Security Bar. For the glass sliding doors, International Closeout Security Bar is an ideal option. Using this door security bar is an effective way of keeping the intruders away from your house. Also, this door security bar can be expanded according to your requirements. Now, installing this security bar is very convenient and easy. It is made up of powder-coated stainless steel, and this adds to its durability and strength. It can be adjusted from 26.5 to 46 inches. At number 2, Security Door Bar by SecuraDoor. Security Door Bar by SecuraDoor is a perfect choice if you are looking for a door lock. It can be used for all doorknobs of different heights. Whether it is a residential door or a commercial building, this door security bar is very efficient in increasing safety and security. It is constructed with the help of alloy of aluminum and thermoplastic elastomer, which makes this door security bar very durable. This product weighs 3 pounds and can withstand even 1-ton force. It also features a portable hand that helps to put on overstressing. At number 1, U.S. Patrol Sliding Door Lock Bar. U.S. Patrol Sliding Door Lock Bar is one of the best door security bars for sliding doors. The leaf pattern looks quite aesthetically sound, and this adds to the decor. Moreover, this door security bar is made up of robust iron, which helps in protecting your home against intruders. It is quite easy and convenient to install, as well as remove this door security bar. In addition to these fantastic benefits, the length is adjustable from 26 to 42 inches.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.